seed saving. Something that we all really ought to get into, because prices have gone mad around the world for seed, and I got a funny feeling it's only going to get worse. So the more we can save, the better. Now, this is something that I spotted on the internet. I'm going to give it a try, and it's basically setting onions to go to seed. So some of the onions that I grew this year, these are Caravel Rose de Roscoff. I shall put these into some pots, and hopefully in the spring they'll race away and they'll seed very, very early in the year, and then I can use them to plant out for next year's onions. That's the theory, so we'll give it a go. So as you can see, all I've done is I've cleaned the onions back ever so tidy. These were grown from seed this year, so I've tidied them back. I might need to nip off the tops a little bit more if they don't shoot out green very quickly, but it's quite simple. I've got a litre pot of rubbishy old compost, and in they go. Couldn't be easier. And I'll keep them here in the greenhouse, but I'll put them in the shade somewhere so they don't dry out massively quick. And with the temperatures we got at the moment, they should spurt away and grow really well. And that'll give us enough seed, more than enough seed for next year, and probably enough for the year after as well. So we don't have to actually put them to seed that often, because you're going to get hundreds and hundreds of seeds off of this. But then again, you could always give them away to your mates, couldn't you? There we go. Keep on gardening.